Hello there. Um, let's go for the Fibble, where in every line there is a line. So this doesn't seem like a great beginning, and I will start thinking we got nothing here. So I'm not sure about the rules here. Maybe it's not legal to have nothing, but let's suppose we do not have anything here, and let's try something like snail. Okay. Maybe that wasn't such a good idea because now I have no comparison to know what is true, what is not. So, let's try limbs. So now I have a degree of comparison. So for sure, this can't be both true, but also this can't be both true. So what is true, what is not? Let's suppose this is false, then this is false, then we do have a male. That doesn't tell us much. Mm, And we do not. So let's try loopy. Hmm. Hmm. Quite interesting. So, ah, Hmm. So this can't be true. Sorry, this can't be false because if this was false, all the rest would be true, and the O should be somewhere else, and the only one where else it's where it actually is, and we would have solved the problem. So this can't be false. So one of these four is false. Let's see if the L could be false. Then the L must go here. So we should have something like this. I'm not sure, but let's brute force this. Because I don't remember any words. So yeah, I think I will get. Mm, yeah, it could be O. Yeah, I must try every word in the every letter in the truth word as well. So sorry. Let's do this systematically. Um, but no I. Yeah. So not double O because this is gray. So pulpy. That sounds like a word, but it's not. Not no N, no S. Dopey. There's Dolby sounds, but think that's not a word, but just a brand. Maybe? Nope. Kinda? Nope. Yeah, actually, it should be one of the letters on the, unless the lie is yeah, it could be none of them. So I think we tried everything. Yeah. So this can't be. Let's try this as possibly the lie. Then there is no O. And we have no vowels. So this should be. I don't think so. Let's let's postpone this possibility for now. What this happens if the P is the lie? Then we should have something. So let's try lucky. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. It's so hard. Start thinking again. This is true. I think we established that. So have we tried? Wait. No, this can't be. Because if this is true, we must have something else, which is a lie. This is true. This is also true. One of these three is false. It's a lie. Which one? Let's go back to this. And let's go again to brute force. Oh, but then, wait. If this is an E, then this is true, and one of these should be false. And in this case, yeah, we should have one of these letters. That's not much to try. No, left is not. Okay. I don't think any of this could work, but just for the sake of completeness, let's try these. So it could have an U, but then the letters should not be any of these. But then we should have an E, right? If the U is the lie here, we should have an E, and we already, yeah, no. If this is a lie, then we already try all these lies, and so this should be the lie as well. So we have no vowels to put here, so maybe something like that, but I don't believe in it. Nah. Well, I just tried this possibility, but I don't believe it. And yeah, I don't believe this at all. So I will say this is true. This can, so one of these two must be a lie. So maybe this one? Why not? Mm, it could have an E here, or it could have something else in an E here, or if it doesn't have an E, but if it has an E, then it should again have one of these letters. So let's do this first, and I don't believe this. Oh, yeah, here. So and and so there is no V, so this would be false, and all this would be true, and we should have two other letters here. Lobby, for instance, that could work, and indeed it did. Bye for now.